Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best U.S. General Toolbox lock is probably one of the most important purchases you will make to protect your valuable tools and equipment from theft or damage, ensuring that your investment is secure and readily available when you need it. This video will provide an in-depth look at the U.S. General Toolbox lock, examining its features, installation process, security mechanisms, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Number 5. Admiral Lock's Tubular Cam Lock. Introducing the Admiral Lock's Tubular Cam Lock, perfect for securing compartments and cabinets. It's easy to install and comes with 2 keys for added convenience. This lock fits materials up to 3/8-inch thick. Check the measurements to ensure it's the right fit for your needs. Order multiple locks, and they'll all be keyed alike, one key unlocks them all. This saves you time and hassle. It's made of sturdy zinc alloy with a chrome finish for lasting durability and a polished look. Each lock includes 2 keys, a steel cylinder nut, stop cam, and cam nut. The key can be removed whether it's locked or unlocked, making it easy to use. This is a thoughtful design for added convenience. Upgrade your storage security with these reliable locks. They're built to exceed your expectations and keep your belongings safe. Installation is a breeze. Replacing an old lock takes less than 5 minutes. For new installations, simply drill a 3/4-inch hole. With a 5/8-inch cylinder length, it fits a wide range of applications. Its standard size makes it a perfect replacement for many existing locks. What we like. If you need multiple locks that all use the same key, this is a great option. It's also incredibly easy to install, taking only a few minutes. If you're looking for a simple, convenient solution for securing your belongings, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked perfect. This lock did the trick, 2 slots at 180 degrees allowing the key to be removed when the box is in either the locked or unlocked positions. Locks worked perfect on my storage box for my Jeep. Good quality, and easy to install. Number 4. Homak Toolbox Cam Lock. This is a replacement cam lock for your Homak toolbox. It's designed for a secure and reliable closure. The lock features a 5/8-inch tubular design. This ensures a strong and durable lock for your toolbox. It rotates 90 degrees, providing a smooth and easy locking mechanism. This makes it simple to secure your tools. The hook cam design ensures a secure grip and prevents accidental opening. It's built to last. You can remove the key whether it's locked or unlocked. This adds convenience and flexibility. It has an active usage length, ensuring it works effectively. This is important for reliable performance. What we like. This lock offers a unique 90-degree rotation, making it perfect for toolboxes with limited space. The 5/8 length ensures a secure fit in most toolboxes. If you need a reliable and space-saving lock for your toolbox, this is it. What people say. Works good on 30-inch General. Use as replacement lock on a toolbox. Fit and filled the need. Replaced lock in my yellow U.S. General 5-drawer toolbox. Perfect fit. Number 3. Homak Replacement Tubular Cam Lock. This replacement lock is perfect for securing your Homak toolbox. It's easy to install and provides reliable protection for your valuable tools. Each lock comes with 2 keys, and they're all keyed alike for convenience. The black key covers add an extra layer of protection. It rotates a full 180 degrees, providing a wide range of motion for easy locking and unlocking. This ensures a secure and reliable closure. You can remove the key from both the locked and unlocked positions. This is a convenient feature for everyday use. It features a durable hook cam design for reliable performance. It's built to last and withstand daily use. This lock is designed for easy installation in your Homak toolbox. It's a simple and straightforward replacement process. With a 5/8 lock body length, it's the perfect fit for many Homak toolboxes. It provides a secure and snug fit. What we like. Need a lock that opens wide? This one boasts a full 180-degree rotation, providing maximum access. The included key covers add an extra layer of protection. If you value versatility and added security, this is your best choice. What people say. The lock was easy to install. It was an exact match to the lock on my toolbox at the shop. Was just what I needed to replace an old locks that I did not have a key for. If you need a lock that turns 180 degrees instead of just a 1/4 turn, this could be the one you need. Lost my keys to my Harbor Freight tool cart and they told me 6 weeks to get new ones, so I ordered this lock instead and it's better than the original one. Number 2. UXCELL Cam Lock. This versatile cam lock is perfect for securing toolboxes, cabinets, and more. Its durable metal construction ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. It's made from high-quality metal for superior strength and durability. This ensures it can withstand daily use and maintain its functionality over time. With dimensions of 50 by 26 by 23 mm, it's compact enough for various applications without compromising security. It's easy to install and use. The 19 mm diameter threaded cylinder and 17 mm thread length make installation a breeze. 2 keys are included for added convenience and security. This cam lock provides reliable security for your tools, equipment, or other valuables. The included keys ensure only authorized personnel can access what's inside. It comes complete with the cam lock and 2 keys, everything you need for immediate installation and use. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your belongings are safe and secure. What we like. This sturdy metal lock is built to last. Its 19 mm thread ensures compatibility with a wide range of applications. If you prioritize durability and a secure fit, this is the lock for you. What people say. Lock works great. My other option was ordering a key from the company for $30 each. Worked great, nice to have the black plastic on key to stand out from all the others on the ring. Worked like a charm for my Cobalt truck toolbox. Even though I had to modify the locking link arm to match my old one, all it took was a little filing down. Number 1. LBTODH Cam Lock. Introducing the LBTODH Cam Lock, perfect for securing your toolboxes, cabinets, and more. Its durable zinc alloy construction ensures long-lasting protection. It boasts a unique design and is made from high-quality zinc alloy with an electroplated finish for superior durability and corrosion resistance. Installation is a breeze. It features a standard 16.5 mm mounting hole and fits most standard toolboxes and cabinets. This lock is incredibly versatile. Use it on switch cabinets, distribution boxes, toolboxes, mailboxes, wherever you need reliable security. Each lock comes with 2 keys for added convenience and security. You'll receive everything you need for a quick and easy installation. With its robust zinc alloy construction and electroplated finish, it's built to withstand daily use and provide lasting protection for your valuables. What we like. This lock is made from high-quality zinc alloy with an electroplated finish for superior durability and corrosion resistance. It's also incredibly versatile. If you need a strong, long-lasting lock for various applications, this is the perfect option. What people say. Great replacement for my mailbox. Easy to install and worked fine. Fits exactly what I needed to replace original lock. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.